Hey, you guys. It is Mirsky back with another YouTube video. Hopefully, you guys are having an amazing day. Today, I wanted to get at you guys with a law of attraction video and subliminals and how it works with the law of attraction. So, let's get into this little video on how that works. So first, we have to talk about the conscious and the subconscious mind. Those are what really works with subliminals. The conscious mind is what is me. It is the limited mind. It is like when we are awake. It is just the mind that on a surface level. It is above the conscious mind through a, you know, scientific standpoint. The conscious mind is just only a limited belief of us. It is just only an awake part. It is an awake state where we are just visualizing now. And the subconscious mind goes deeper than that. The subconscious mind deals with your beliefs, how you think of yourself, how you think of reality, and everything else. It is deeper. It works on a deeper level. So your subconscious mind is all the beliefs that you have. How subliminals work with your beliefs is it can change and alter your subconscious mind through whatever affirmations you are using or whatever subliminals you are using. Your subconscious mind is what makes the reality that you see. Your subconscious mind is going to form everything that you experience in your existence. So your subconscious mind can have any type of limiting beliefs, and that will come into fruition into your existence. Your subconscious mind will make anything happen that you believe will happen. That's how your subconscious mind works. It is way bigger than your conscious mind because your conscious mind does not work with, you know, making things happen in your reality. It just sees what it sees. But your subconscious mind will make that shit happen. It will make it happen. It is just like all of those beliefs and all of those triggers are what is going to show because your subconscious mind is what believes that to be true unless you alter that state, unless you change it. How would it work with the law of attraction? Well, obviously, of course, say if you're trying to attract something, but you have a limited belief that it won't come to you. Subliminals can obviously alter that belief. It can change it and reprogram you to believe that you can have it. Sleep, your subconscious mind is like 95% of you. But when you're awake, you're really using your conscious mind. So yeah, like when you're asleep, you're really gonna be able to take it in more easier, or when you're in a meditative state. You can't change anything with your conscious mind. You cannot change it. It's just how it views the reality right now, but you can't change it. So what you want to do is when you're using subliminals is work with it with your subconscious mind. Your subconscious mind is just everything that you believe to be within inside of you. So if you don't feel like you can manifest any type of money, use subliminals to manifest money. You can manifest anything if you really change your subconscious mind. And your subconscious mind, it might be hard at first because if you have a strong limiting belief that you can't even change your subconscious mind, then that's how you believe. So that is something that you really have to learn how to release, is those thoughts and those negative things that you are holding in, because that can reign true on your subconscious mind. Your subconscious will believe anything that you give it. So do it for like 30 days. I believe that's how long. And like my mind now, it cannot tell me no if I don't. My subconscious mind, it will not tell me no if I say something is yes. I can make it happen because I already know that shit can happen. Whatever I want to happen, it can happen in my reality. Give it 30 days, or even like I would say 3 weeks or something. That is good enough to really change your state of consciousness and what you believe to be true, because your subconscious mind could hold on to a lot of limiting beliefs that you might not even have had until something triggers. Your subconscious mind is whatever you believe to be true, that shit's gonna be true. So that's how your subconscious mind really works. Your conscious level does not work on too much, but just when you're awake and what you see and just how you view things. It's not too much unless you really dive deeper because your conscious is surface level type of thing. But yeah, how this works in the law of attraction, the law of attraction is basically like I said, once you change your subconscious mind, you can attract whatever it is that you want, because that's how the law of attraction works. Like attracts like. So if you are not resonating at the vibration, or you are not believing that you can have anything that you're trying to resonate at, or something that you're trying to get, if you're not on that level, then you're not going to get it. But if you do believe that you're on that level, if you have changed your mindset and you know that what you're trying to manifest is just energy, then it can happen. Because once you change your subconscious level, then obviously you can see it on the surface and through your conscious mind and conscious state. So yeah, you guys, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment, and when you subscribe, make sure you smack the bell. And also, if you would like a psychic reading, make sure you check the description box below. I will leave all my information down there. And you guys, I make video on the law of attraction all the time, so if you want to see that, you can definitely check up there. I will leave the law of attraction playlist where I leave all of my little videos, and y'all can check that out or do whatever y'all want to do. And I'll be back with another video very shortly. Love you guys. Peace.